Buy FXGuys, $FXG, on the most popular dexes. This step-by-step guide covers everything you need to know to purchase $FXG securely and efficiently, from wallet setup to completing your first trade. Emerging and innovative cryptocurrency projects like FXGuys are gaining much interest from investors hoping to profit from pre-sale tokens. This occurs as the influence of cryptocurrencies on the financial industry is expanding rapidly. In light of this, FXGuys is gradually gaining traction as one of the best pre-sale tokens in 2024 and is expected to offer early investors a massive return on investment, ROI. After seeing significant gains over the past weeks, the cryptocurrency market has entered a correction phase. Consequently, investors have begun to inquire about how to purchase FXGuys. This crypto trading platform has demonstrated remarkable growth potential throughout its public pre-sale. This article explores a step-by-step guide for navigating the $FXG token purchase procedure. Reasons to invest in FXGuys. Let's examine the FXGuys project before discussing how to purchase the $FXG token. FXGuys is a cutting-edge crypto trading platform that combines cutting-edge technologies and community-driven tools to enhance the Forex trading experience. The platform's main goal is to empower traders by providing them with resources, knowledge, and a collaborative environment. One of the main features of the FXGuys platform is the Trade to Earn program, which enables traders to accrue rewards through their trading actions. Regardless of how their transactions turn out, this program ensures that traders are rewarded for their efforts. Participants are encouraged to use the platform more frequently by earning tokens with each trade, which fosters a vibrant trading environment that promotes continuous learning and development. Also, traders can access significant funds through FXGuys' prop firm funding program. Ambitious traders find this feature appealing since it enables them to handle huge trading accounts without risking their money, making it the best crypto to invest in for remarkable profits. The transparent profit-sharing plan guarantees that traders will keep a significant amount of their profits, encouraging them even more to do well and succeed in their trading activities. Step-by-step guide to buying FXGuys. Buying the $FXG tokens has been made as simple as buying any cryptocurrency. This is the simple procedure for purchasing $FXG tokens. Create an account and download a cryptocurrency wallet like MetaMask or Ledge. Invest in a cryptocurrency that FXGuys endorses. These include top altcoins such as Dogecoin, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin. After connecting your wallet to the FXGuys presale website, go to the Buy Tokens tab. Purchase the quantity of $FXG tokens you want using your preferred cryptocurrency. Your account will be credited with $FXG after the purchase is complete. You can utilize hardware wallets like Trezor and Ledger Nano or activate two-factor authentication, 2FA, in your wallet to protect the $FXG tokens you have purchased. Alternatively, investors can buy $FXG tokens with USD using credit cards via the FXGuys presale website. What's driving the excitement around FXGuys and the $FXG token? The $FXG token is a utility-DeFi token created to enable smooth transactions and compensate traders for their involvement in the ecosystem. By tackling the problems that PropFi platforms pose, it aims to improve the current state of the trade sector. These include, among other things, trading platform problems, fraudulent brokers, prop firm insolvency, KYC obstacles, and sluggish or no payouts. Also, FXGuys facilitates trading in commodities, forex, equities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Thanks to this extensive asset selection, traders may effortlessly diversify their portfolios for maximum success. It explains why FXGuys is rapidly becoming the best crypto to invest in for trading cryptocurrency and forex. From the private presale round price of $0.015 to the stage 1 public presale price of $0.030, $FXG has increased by 100% so far. It is expected to rise even higher in the future, giving early investors enormous gains. Notably, $FXG will launch at 10 cents, giving stage 1 investors a potential 233% ROI when it officially launches at 10 cents.